What's going on, everyone? Happy Friday. I'm doing all of my research and my homework today. That way I can enjoy my weekend. So going over some charts, getting ready for next week. By the way, guys, if you're a short-term trader or a swing trader, definitely consider giving me a subscribe. Also joining that Discord down in the description box below. We are very, very active community. I have taught over 100 students how to become more profitable and consistent traders. With that being said, we're taking a look at the SPY today. Very, very good day, up almost 6 points, actually 5.92 and 1.5% on the day. So we did close at 412. What I'm looking at going into next week is potentially a confirmation over 413 and the next price target to be 417. Now that does not mean that as soon as we take out 413 that we're going to 417 all in one move. What I could actually see is taking this out next week, early next week, the 413 area, putting in a new high, maybe 1 or 2 points higher, then coming back down to allow this 5-day moving average to catch up here. Now, if we do have some sort of pullback, anything below 406.83 will have room down to 402. So for all of you scalpers or intraday bears here that are looking for a short-term play to the downside, your level that you would be looking for is around 407. Anything below 407, we got a few points down. Remember, this is starting a short-term uptrend, going all the way back here to this recent bottom on July the 14th. So anytime we're in a short-term uptrend, you are not looking to put on a short position for a back test all the way back down to the lows, but it's more so of a shorter term intraday trade, just looking to catch 1, 2, 3 points on the downward move into support, and then you want to clear that position and get ready for the move and the push back higher. Remember, guys, a lot of you guys who are longer term investors or have been holding stocks have been in significant amount of pain. And right now is the perfect opportunity to sort of make back those losses on these shorter term trades. As long as you understand technical analysis, you can get in and out on a daily basis or even overnight basis, meaning being a short term swing trader 1, 2, 3 days, as long as the levels are valid. And you can kind of make back some of these losses that have been lost over the past, 7, 8, 9 months, depending on the stock that you're holding. Could be a lot longer than that if you've been playing some small caps. The reason why I think that we're going to stall out here around this 417, 418 area, you can see the last time that we pushed into this zone between 527 as well as 68, all this action here where we were up, down, up, down, up, down. This is what is called a distribution cycle. Anytime you go into a distribution cycle, means that stocks really are not pushing higher, but they're not pushing lower, and they're getting ready to set up for the next big move. And obviously this big move was to the downside. So as we come into this zone here, we could potentially be looking at another distribution cycle. Distribution cycles normally last between 3, 4, 5, 6 days, pretty much before they either break to the top side or break down. Now, if we do get into this zone, push up towards 418, chop around, back down, back up, back down, back up, and then we lose this area, I would be looking for the next wave down. But if the selling pressure is going to start easing off and we're going to start coming out of this bear market, what I would be looking for is a 3 to 5 day distribution period, and then for that next break up. The next break higher is going to be over 417, 418 with a potential push into the upper channel range of around 425. I think that's going to be a very, very nice macro trade. If you are a swing trader, what you would be looking for here, if you're currently sitting long in the SPY, is as long as we're staying over this 5-day moving average, you're going to continue to hold your position. Just make sure you're scaling every new supply zone higher. If you have not started a position yet, I would wait for the next pullback. Now, the next pullback doesn't mean going all the way back down to 362 or 372 or even, 391. What we would be looking for is an immediate pullback into 402 or 396, the lowest. If we can pull back into these two zones and then bounce off, that is where you're going to want to start your position for a swing trade, and you're going to play that back up to these most recent highs here of around 411 to 413. I hope that video helps. If you guys are interested in learning how to day trade each and every single day and become a more consistent and profitable trader, my name is D. Anthony. My website is evolutiontraders.com. Have a look around, become a lifetime gold member access. You're going to get access to all of the stocks that I'm trading, intraday technicals, so forth and so forth, and join a community of over 100 traders that are doing this on a day in and day out basis. I look forward to seeing you guys all on the inside, and I'll catch you guys all tomorrow.